Right here we got some raw hair, taken out of the back right here. We put on the heckle machine. This machine right here, guys, how you take the small hairs and the flyaways out of the bundles. This hair also right here is what Chinese people come and buy and process heavily to sell to the market again. When you take this hair and acid bath it that way, you can't have something you can color and you're not sure what that hair can do either. So once again, this is raw from the bags coming like this from the temples. And we move over here. So I'll show you a completed wefted bundle right here. And that's a piece like this. So a piece like this is going to be wefted in. This is after it's been washed and conditioned and everything. Hasn't been tied yet properly, but we're going to tie it up later. Everything has a process that needs to be finished out here. This is the double weft with a triple head machine right here. And I'll move you guys on this way. So this is a 5x5 lace closure right here. If you can zoom into her hands, you can see the handiwork it takes to make these closures. The reason sometimes we have delays on these at the factory is because it takes at least 10 days to make one of these closures properly. Just watch her like hands right there. From there, guys, once again, the hackle machine, this process right here removes all the short hairs from the bundles and ensures that the bundles are good.